Hello, Harris here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix any issues and problems with your Slack app on your phone. The first thing that you want to do is go up to the Play Store, search bar, here, Slack. We got our Slack app, and check if you have the newest update. If you have the newest update, there should be everything cool, but if it's not, I'm gonna show you two more ways how to fix it. So first way is go up to the settings, apps, see all the apps, here, Slack, right here, go to the permissions, all of them, all like here, allow, and all of them allow, go back, Wi-Fi data usage, unrestricted. After this, there should be everything cool with the app. If it's not, I'm gonna show you easiest way. Last way is just reinstalling the app in the Play Store like this. If the video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Bye.